Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn English language lesson 5 interrogative sentences. My first question is that what is an interrogative sentence? Answer: an interrogative sentence is a type of sentence that asks a question. We put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. The term interrogative sentence is another name for a question. I hope you have understood the definition of interrogative sentence. Now we will see the examples of an interrogative sentence. Example number 1. Are you completing your project? Second, have you had your breakfast? Read the sentences given below. First, I am skipping. Second, Jack was at home. We can turn the above statements into questions in the following manner. First, I am skipping. Statement. Am I skipping? Question. Write am at the beginning before the subject I and add a question mark. Second, Jack was at home. Statement. Was Jack at home? Question. Write was before the subject Jack and add a question mark. When the verb has more than one word, we put the first word before the subject. You have seen the movie. Statement. Have you seen the movie? Question. Write have before the subject you and add a question. Read some more examples of statements changed into interrogative sentences. First, they were making a noise. Were they making a noise? Second, Arpita will perform tomorrow. Will Arpita perform tomorrow? Third, it is a windy day. Is it a windy day? Fourth, the train will be late. Will the train be late? We will first understand what is assertive sentence. Then let you know how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence with examples. So let's see. What is an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence tells information or states a fact. It ends with period. It can be affirmative or positive and negative in meaning. Now, let me give you the example of affirmative sentence. Dhoni is a great player. Now, let me give you the example of negative sentence. The sandwich was not tasty. Now let's understand how to convert assertive sentence to interrogative. If the sentence is an affirmative or positive, then convert it into negative. And if negative, then convert it to positive sentence. Now we'll see the example. Step 1. Convert affirmative into negative. Let's see. Dhoni is a great player. This is a affirmative sentence. Now we will change into negative. Dhoni is not a great player. Not is a negative. Second step, move, helping of. Start of sentence. Isn't Dhoni a great player? So I hope this is clear to you all. Now we will do the exercises of your book. I request all of you to open the book from your English language, page 22. Let's see the question number 1. Change the following assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. Rewrite the sentences in the space provided. Question number 1. Tina talks politely. Answer. Does Tina talk politely? Second. He thinks it is too hot. Answer. Does he think it is too hot? Third. Monkeys can climb on tree. Answer. Can monkeys climb on trees? Fourth. There will be flowers in winter. Answer. Will there be flowers in winter? Question 5th. He is singing. Answer. Is he singing? 6th. She won the game. Answer. Did she win the game? 7th. There is tea in the kettle. Answer. Is there tea in the kettle? Question number 8. Buses are running on diesel. Answer. Are the buses running on diesel? 9th. He was kind towards the poor. Answer. Was he kind towards the poor? 10th. Amisha is going to be an actress. Answer. Is Amisha going to be an actress? 11th. They came home early. Answer. Did they come home early? Question number 12, 13, 14 and 15. You read and write down in your notebook itself. Your homework is that I request all of you to read this chapter again and do the homework of this chapter and write it in a good handwriting. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.